Hello dear students. This is Mrs. Pavitra Ashok. Welcome back to English class. In the previous session, we had discussed pre-reading task and first part of the prose, The Boy Who Sold Wisdom. We'll continue. Please open your textbook, students. I am going to read third and fourth paragraphs. Please follow as I read. Babu put down a nickel and asked Nagendra to give him a nickel's worth of wisdom. The boy took out a piece of paper and wrote on it, "It is not wise to stand and watch two people fighting." And he asked Babu to keep it tied in his turban cloth. Babu went home and showed his father what he had bought. He said, "I bought some wisdom for a nickel, and I have it here, tied up inside this turban cloth." The father untied the knot, looked at the scrap of paper, and read what was written on it. "It is not wise to stand and watch two people fighting." Please look at meanings of new words. Turban, a man's head covering. You can see the picture of turban on the screen. Scrap, a small piece or amount of something. Moving on to the explanation. So now, Babu gave a nickel and asked Nagendra to give him a nickel's worth of wisdom. Then what did Nagendra give Babu? He took out a piece of paper and wrote on it, "It is not wise to stand and watch two people fighting." What did Nagendra write? "It is not wise to stand and watch two people fighting." And he asked Babu to keep it tied in his turban cloth. Then Babu went home and showed his father, rich merchant, what he had bought. Babu's father untied the knot, looked at the piece of paper, and read what was written on it. Can you tell me, students, what was written on that piece of paper? Yes, very good. "It is not wise to stand and watch two people fighting." What does it mean? If you see two people fighting with each other, you should not stand and watch their fighting for a long time. You should immediately leave that place. Otherwise, what happens? Then you will get into trouble. Now please look at fifth and sixth paragraphs. He was furious. He screamed at his son, "You fool, paying a nickel for this nonsense? Everyone knows you should not stand and watch two people fighting." Then he went to the marketplace and stormed into Nagendra's shop and scolded him soundly. "You scoundrel! You have cheated my son. He is a fool and you are a cheat. Return the nickel or else I'll call the police." Nagendra said, "If you don't want my goods, you can return it. Give me back my wisdom, or you can have your money back." Gupta, the rich merchant, threw the scrap of paper at the boy and said, "There, now give me back my money." Nagendra said, "No, you have not given me back my wisdom. You have only written the paper. If you want your money back, you will have to sign a document saying that your son will never use my advice and that he will always stand and watch people fighting." The passers-by supported Nagendra. So, Gupta readily signed the document and took his money. He was happy that it had been easy to undo his son's foolish bargain. Please look at meanings of new words. Furious, very angry. Stormed, rush in very fast. Moving on to the explanation. Babu's father, the rich merchant's name is Gupta. When Gupta saw a piece of paper and what was written on it, he was furious. He was very angry. Then he scolded his son Babu for wasting his money on a useless thing. Then Gupta rushed into Nagendra's shop. He scolded Nagendra and demanded his money back. He also threatened him to call the police. But Nagendra said he would return his money if Gupta gave back his wisdom. Then what did Gupta do? Gupta threw the scrap of paper at Nagendra and asked him to give back his money. But Nagendra said it was only a piece of paper and not the advice he had given Babu. He also asked Gupta to sign a document saying that his son Babu would never use his advice and that Babu would always stand and watch two people fighting. The passers-by also supported Nagendra. Finally, Gupta had to sign the document and took his money back. So now, Babu cannot use Nagendra's wisdom. It is not wise to stand and watch two people fighting. Whenever Babu sees two people fighting, he has to stand and watch them. Dear students, in today's class we have completed second part of the prose, The Boy Who Sold Wisdom. I will continue the third part in the next session. Now, I am going to end up this session. Bye for now. Thank you. Have a nice day.